Background colors. Okay, let's save this page. This is a blank page. And when I refresh my page here, we see absolutely nothing. Now we've worked with background colors a little bit, but let's go ahead and start making our page look a little nicer. Let's actually start working with some stuff that we can keep. So I'm going to select my body element, and I want to give this a background dash color and then a particular color. Now I know I want off-white, and this might be a little bit hard to see at first, but hopefully when I do the transition, it shows up in the video. So this is just regular white, and if I refresh, you can see it's a little bit off now. Now what I can do is I can always right-click, inspect, click my body, and you can see the background color is F5, F5, F5. What if I wanted to change that to red, F00, or black, 000, or default white? Doesn't do anything. F5, 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 and this is what it's going to look like when I toggle this on and off. So white, off-white, white, off-white, something like that, just so it's not as hard on the user's eyes. We could also do something a little darker, F0, 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 and we can toggle this on and off as well. So now we have a very light gray color. So that's a background color. You can use a hex color, you can use a named color, you can use an RGB or an RGBA if you wanted to. We learned about color types already, so feel free to use any color type you are familiar with.